The Apple rumor community is currently dealing with a fresh scandal involving a leaker who is attempting to make money off of conjecture rather than a new iPhone 17 feature or design. Imagine View, a well-known Apple leaker who amassed a following of over 75,000 followers on X, previously Twitter, mostly via repeating speculations, is now trying to sell iPhone 17 Max covers, months before Apple makes the phone's formal announcement. The 10 designs of cases, which include transparent, tough, hybrid, and shield varieties, are priced between $39.99 and $54.99 and are advertised as ready to ship. What's wrong? These covers might not fit the actual iPhone 17 when it is launched because its design and dimensions have not yet been verified. The leaker's web store's ambiguous details increase the risk. Whether the cases are pre-orders or the estimated time of delivery are not specified. The promise that someone will contact them within 24 hours to confirm their purchase raises concerns for many customers. While some case makers use CAD files or prototypes to gain a head start, early accessory launches based on leaks are not new. However, history demonstrates how dangerous this can be. For instance, manufacturers used to build large quantities of covers for an iPhone that was reported to have a teardrop design but never made it to market. Customers might easily lose their money on these items, which are gambles without official Apple data. According to Imagine View, the cases are created by a business called Leo, which can create personalized cases in 20 days and is said to have 21 years of experience. But without Apple's approval, even the slightest change to the design may make these cases pointless. In addition to the financial risk to purchasers, Imagine Boo's reputation is at risk with this action. Like Lee Supro, who previously made a bogus claim to have been inside Apple Park during a lockdown, and other discredited characters in the past, they appear to be using their followers for financial gain rather than offering confirmed leaks or insightful observations. Despite their imperfections, reliable sources like Ming-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman depend on verified research and intimate knowledge rather than reshared online rumors. Not making money off of leaks. Many people do it on YouTube or blogs, but advertising and selling speculative goods with no assurance of truth is the issue. Pushing iPhone 17 covers before the phone is even available is inappropriate in this situation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.